Is about getting rid of a persistent tracking source in Firefox Portable, and also this will apply to other Firefox versions. Under the Firefox directory structure, you'll eventually find UserData, profiles, a random string of characters, in this case symbolized as 0/0, .default, then SiteSecurityServiceState.txt. I'm not advising you do this as a be-all end-all. It's just that I found that this was keeping information for the last year and a half on my computer when I explicitly told my computer to forget everything. There isn't an exception to it. The word everything isn't supposed to have a caveat. It's a database for strict transport security under Hypertext Transfer Protocol without the S. Anyway, this works when you're browsing in private windows on a website and creates essentially a saved supercookie you can't delete through the user interface. Now you can watch a couple of videos on the subject. One of them is a little more alarmist, but this is my solution I came up with. I simply found the document by right-clicking the link to go to my web browser, looking for SiteSecurityServiceState.txt, finding it, and just setting it to read only after zeroing out the inside of the file so that it is either unable to or it will be very difficult for it to rewrite the file. Now this file is useful. This might break a website you visit. However, if you don't like not being able to edit this, erase it, or clear information from, in my case, nearly 2 years ago, when I keep telling it on startup to clear anything that might be used for tracking, this can become irritating. So, is this a super cookie and a hack, and are you being tracked? Potentially, yes. It's HSTS, Hypertext Strict Transport Security, or whatever you want to call it, and it amounts to a super cookie. Is this something to be alarmed about? No. I found listings in there for pages I haven't seen in literally 2 years, so I'm fairly sure about it. And the thing about it is, it was for adding exceptions to a web page in some case. Other pages, it was pages that wouldn't load because it complained I didn't have security turned on and then loaded anyway, which means it silently added some information to my computer I couldn't track and kill. Next, as always, when your computer browser closes, make sure it automatically clears all browsing data, regardless of what it complains about. Don't use a password manager in your browser. And I recommend, if possible, for the most part, you use anything other than a Chrome browser. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And all I did was zero the file out and make it read only. Bye.